Good day, Icky here again. It is Friday the 2nd of April. Yes, I just looked that up because I can't remember these things 1 minute to the next. And yes, I'm trying out my cooking rock again today. The bird has been on there for a couple hours already. I pulled it out of the freezer last night. It was still dead frozen this morning. So I cooked it from frozen. A little bit of poultry seasoning. I would love to hit it with some barbecue sauce, but I appear to be out. So I'm thinking I may try a little bit of ketchup. I can't say as I've ever done that before, but it's worth a shot. The chicken itself. This is not a meat bird, so not a Cornish cross, or what they call them up here is white rock cross. This is actually a laying hen, so it will be very tough. It's several years old, but I think it should still make a decent sandwich. Anyways, I'm taking it rather easy today. It's still below freezing. The sun feels wonderful, however. Getting revved up about planting the garden in a day or so. Anyways, I'll get back to you later. Icky out for now, and this I think is going to be quite tasty. Later.